guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for this unboxing because it is a new subscription to our channel. Round of applause for new subscriptions. This one is actually a lifestyle subscription. I found it for a friend of mine who was looking for a new lifestyle subscription for their channel / household. And when she did her unboxing, I fell in love with it too. So I went ahead and ordered it. So let's welcome this bad boy to our channel. This is the pink box delivery. And you'll know it's pink box delivery if you order it because it will have this sticker on it, which is super cute. Okay. A little bit about this box. It is lifestyle. Lifestyle means you can range from lots of stuff. It could be like home decor. It could be body care. It could be something fitness. Like, you never know. It's something more for the lifestyle instead of being just makeup or just skincare or just household. Lifestyle can range from several things, and that's why I like them, because you never know what you're gonna get, but they're always useful items. So lifestyle tends to be my favorite type of subscription, and it always feels like you're getting a gift, if that makes sense. Like, I always feel like when I open a lifestyle subscription, it's like Christmas or my birthday, because I'm getting all these random things instead of one typical thing like makeup or whatever. So anyway, this subscription actually impressed me because A, I like the contents that come in it, but B, the price point. So a lot of lifestyle subscriptions, being that you get so many things in them, they tend to be a little bit more expensive. And like, I've seen them range from, they're usually about, let me see, $39.99 usually, on average, $39.99 from up to over $100. And so I found this one for $35, and it is a monthly subscription. You do pay shipping, but the shipping is only $5, so I just call it a $40 a month subscription. But when you see the items that come in it, it's amazing. I saw, I believe, what was November's unboxing, and it was, incredible. So I ordered for December. So let's see what I got. Let's see what you guys think. As always, I always ask you guys to comment below. Tell me what you think of the subscriptions. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if it's something you already get. And tell me if it's something you would like to sign up for. I will also post their link in the description below if you are interested in signing up. And let's get into it. Okay, so I'm opening it up. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. So it's wrapped up really nice, and there is the truck again, the pink truck, and there is a card that says Gina. So let me go ahead and open that. I am on a squeaky bar stool, so if you hear that noise, that's all it is, just me moving around. And let's see, it says joy to the world. Very pretty with the church. And hoping your holidays are filled with unending joy. Lucy, I think it's, is it Bob or Boo? I think it's Bob. I don't know. And Mary. So thank you guys. This is a nice touch. You guys know, for subscription boxes, I like the extra touch. I like how they package them. I like if they put a note to me, things like that. I mean, it just shows that they take the extra time. Obviously, I know some subscriptions are huge, and that is very hard for them to do, but I appreciate the ones that try. So let's get into this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Where do I begin? Let's start with this. So we got snacks. Like I said, this is lifestyle, so you never know what you're gonna get. But this is good. All right, so this is dark chocolate Harry and David Moose Munch premium popcorn, the anytime snack. Yummy. So this is that. So for all you dark chocolate lovers out here. And by the way, if you are interested in this subscription, like this particular box that I'm getting, they have a note up on the website that says if you order by the 18th, you're guaranteed to get it by the 24th. So if you're interested in ordering this, maybe for yourself or for somebody else for Christmas, or you see something in there that, like, let's say you want this subscription, but you want something in there for somebody for Christmas, you will get it by the 24th. And so that's a little piece I wanted to add in there. Anytime after the 18th, you will be signing up for the January box. So if you want to just start fresh with January, please sign up after the 18th of December. Okay, this is super cute. All right, so look how this is packaged. That's really cute. So it looks like there are 3 pins. Let me go and open them up. They have like little crowns on them with the pearl on top. Really pretty. And it says, eat, drink, shop local. This one says, real, not perfect. This is me all day long. And then this one says, local is the new black. So these are really cute. All right, again, here is the stationery it came with. So it looks like it's a notepad, Christmas style. And it is by Haley and the Hound. But that is a really cute set. Let's see. We got a CD. Kenny and Dolly, Once Upon a Christmas, featuring the greatest gift of all, Once Upon a Christmas, Winter Wonderland, Sleigh Ride, and more. Okay, guys, this CD is like my mom to a T. So I can turn around and gift this to my mom and she will lose her mind. I can remember as a child always listening to Kenny Rogers and Dolly Parton and singing along. And my mom is a Christmas fanatic. Like, day after Thanksgiving, the Christmas carols came on and I literally would be like, oh my God. By Christmas, it was like, oh my God, make them stop. Because I heard them so much. But my mom loved them. She loved the old style country music. And this reminds me so much of her. And I know she would love this. This will be a great gift for her. And totally unexpected. Who would have ever thought I would have received that? Okay. So the next item that's in here, Sponge-O. You guys know Sponge-O is amazing. It is really taking off. It has made a name for itself, I would say, in 2019. Like, you saw it everywhere. It was popping up in subscription boxes. I have not, oh, I dropped it. I have not seen one like this in this packaging. How do y'all like those reflexes? Oh, I caught it. So that's really cute. They did it like a Christmas ornament, so I can hang this from the tree if I want, or I can just put it all over my body. But anyway, it's really cute. So that's a good gift for somebody, or like I said, hang it from the tree and then gift it to somebody or yourself. But this is Sponge-O Joy. Sugar Plum is the scent. And you saw how it comes out. This is what it looks like. Oh, Sugar Plum is really good. So that's really cute, guys. I like that they stayed on theme for Christmas. They didn't just buy like normal Sponge-Os to put in the box. They actually went with the Christmassy one. So that is a nice touch. Okay. How cute! Okay, so this is like napkins for you to use during the holidays with the little polka dots. See, it has the little dogs. See, I like cute stuff, so I don't know, call me crazy. But this says wag, bark, and be merry. This is really cute, guys. So to put your drinks on or whatever, your little dessert plates. But to serve this and have this during the holiday. I like that. That is really cute. Something else I want to mention, I don't think it pertains to this box, but when you do sign up for this subscription, they ask you your shoe size. So I'm kind of intrigued. Do I have something in my hair? So I'm kind of intrigued what that's gonna mean in the future. Is it gonna be house slippers? Like, so anyway, I'm kind of excited about that. But that's just a side note. These are really pretty. Look at the sachet with the sparkles. Very Christmassy. And you see the bracelets blinging. See what they look like. Oh, look at this one. That is gorgeous. So gorgeous. And it says Aramish. So that is that the brand maybe? Very pretty. This one says Aramish too. God, they're so gorgeous. I just love the sparkle. And I like that I could wear this one with like silver or those type of looks. And then this one goes really good with gold looks. Those are nice. And they're like heavy. They're really nice. Okay. This is the last item that's in here. So let's see what it is. It says I got the beige one. And I think I remember seeing these when I signed up, that these were coming up. And there were different colors available, so it looks like I got beige, which I don't mind. I think it's very pretty. Is that not pretty? So look how big this. See how big? And it's still like folded up. This is like, what do you call these? Like the scarf shawls that people wear. I think it's gorgeous. It is so soft. I really like it. And I like the color they picked for me. It says Love of Fashion, New York. Yeah. I think that's what you call these, right? Shawls? But it opens up again. Like if I want another layer to open up and make it even bigger. But that is like very nice size. You see I wrapped it around myself. I am a plus size girl and I'm still like wrapped up in it. I think this is amazing. I love this box. I am keeping it for quite some time until they fail me or let me down in some way. But like I said, I saw the November unboxing. It was amazing. I like December a lot, and so I look forward to January. I have a feeling February is going to be awesome because that's the month of Valentine's. But you guys let me know in the in the comment box below what you think. I'm liking pink box delivery. I think it's very cute. Again, $35 a month plus $5 shipping. Just call it a $40 subscription. I will leave the link in the description box below if you're interested in signing up. Please tell me if you're going to. I'm interested. That way I have somebody I can be like, hey, what did you think? What do you know, what'd you get? What color? Did you get beige? Did you get red? Or whatever the colors are. And so, again, if you're going to sign up for the December box, please sign up by the 18th, okay? So you'll have it by the 24th. And if it's a Christmas present, it will be ready to go under somebody's tree. All right, guys, I love you. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.